Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook bean sprout and chicken sausage and eggs. Hello guys, first I need to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And make sure like 3 pieces of eggs. And you make it scrambled eggs. 3 or 4. I think I did 4 pieces of scrambled eggs. So you have to make it well to get fluffy, and I add total is 4 pieces of egg. It depends you guys of how much egg you put. And you have to make it well to get fluffy the eggs. So one of my favorite guys, the bean sprout, and I add oil like 1 tablespoon and 1/2 onions, and you have to stir it. Don't overcook the onion, and then you have to set aside the scrambled eggs. And add the fresh garlic. I just mash the garlic, and then you have to mix it well. And then after that, you have to add carrots, sliced carrots. And then add the Bina sausage, chicken sausage, the Bina can sausage chicken. So you had to add, but I slice it. And then 1 tablespoon of beef powder, or like 1/2 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. So you have to stir it well. The Bina sausage is already cooked, but you make hot only. And then after that, you stir fry. Make sure the carrots and the rest of vegetables or bell pepper, it's cooked. So now I need to set aside. I add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add the rest of bell pepper. Add the bean sprout. You have to wash really good the bean sprout. When you cook the bean sprout, guys, you need to, it's like my husband wants only like crispy, don't overcook because it's not good, it's look like mushy. So I cook that 2 to 1 minute. After that, stir fry. So I just stir it and mix together and cover like for 1 minute. And add more black pepper, 1 tablespoon of pork powder. I don't add salt, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. You have to try. It's very, very delicious. This is how the way I cook for bean sprout. And then after this, I add the Nor seasoning, or add all these ingredients and the Bina sausage to get it a scrambled egg. And then if you want salt to taste, but I decided to put Nor seasoning soy sauce, like around 1 tablespoon of Nor seasoning. It depends on 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons. So you have to mix it well, and after that you have to cover 1 minute. And cover the bean sprout 1 minute or medium heat. So if you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to leave comment and push the notification bell, so every time I upload my video, you're always updated. I really appreciate. Thank you for visiting my channels. Now the food is ready to serve. Thank you and God bless.